Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. We are going to design this prophetic midweek service. Yes, a church flyer using our Pixellab. So, how to use the Pixellab to design a church flyer. Yes, how to use the Pixellab to design a church flyer. I'm going to teach you this tutorial step by step, everything on how I was able to achieve this from scratch to the end. I'm not going to hide anything from you. And don't forget, there will be a link in this description, under the description, for you to download all the resources file I use for this flyer, so that if you want to practice and then share it with me, you can do so. So without wasting much time, let me just go to the default and then clear everything. Then let's set our background. Yes, let's go to the background and then we'll go and change the background size to maybe this size should be 4. Then you come and change here to by 6. So 4 by 6 is okay. No, it's too small. Then I have to change here to, let's say, by 5. Yes, and let's see, 4 by 5. And I think it's okay. Yes, I think it's okay. So let's go to the background side and go and select our background. So I downloaded this background over there. Boom. So it's here nicely. And let me go to the text side, delete this text. Then the first thing we are going to do is to draw our circle. So go to the shape and pick your shape. Click here to change it to a circular shape, and then let's me change opacity to 0, and then go to stroke. Yes, change the stroke to the highest, and then we change the color to green. Yes, change the color to that of the color green, and this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Let's center and position it. Perfect, perfect. Then we can duplicate it, or sorry, you can copy it. Perfect. Then go and change the color. Yes, you can change the color. And we are using this color. Yes, I've set the colors already. Then I reduce this size and put it at the center. Yeah, put it at the center this way. And then let me position this one up a bit. And then this one too should go. Perfect, perfect. I think I need to better still. Yeah, so let me just position this one too at the center. Perfect, perfect. And then this two at the center, and it's perfect. So the two together, I can decide to merge them, but let me use the position to move it up. Yes, let me use the position to move this one up. Yes, it should go up a bit. Then go and select this one. Yes, then you move it up again using the position to move it up. Yes, to move it up this way, and then make sure it's at the center. Yes, make sure it's at the center before you lock it. Then let's go and lock it. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then we go and write our text. So write our text, prophetic, so, uh, prophetic, prophetic, good. So you change it to all caps, and then we are using a font. So let's go and change our font to something. Go to the special or your downloaded font. Then use Berbas. Berbas regular, so it's okay. Then position it at the center here. Let me go and position it at the center. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then I can copy it. Yes, copy it and then bring it at the center again. Sorry. Let me delete it. So with this one selected, you can go and edit. No, I'm still right. Clicking copy. So where is my edit? Where is my edit? Where? Yeah, so edit, and then I'll edit it and then change it to midweek. So the midweek, good. So midweek, and that is awesome. Then let's go and change the font. Yes, let's go and change the font. So which font did we use? We used this font. Perfect, 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 perfect. So you can reduce the size so that it will fit into the circle. So reduce the size to something like 40, and if it's okay for you, you position it at the center and then you lock it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's change the color. Yes, let's change the color to that of this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Or better still, we can use something like black, or yes, just experiment or change the colors and see which one will be perfect for you. So you can copy it again and then write your service. Yes. So service, perfect. So if it's okay, click on okay. Then let's go and then increase the size a bit to something like 50 is okay. So then we change the color again. Yes. Let's change the color to maybe a color green and it's perfect. Yeah. I think it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So let's move it up a bit. So using the position. Perfect. 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 It's okay. So we can lock all. Yes. Lock all. Awesome. 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 That is it. Oh, the midweek is hidden. Sorry. Good. So the prophetic is rather hidden. Then the next thing we are going to do is what? To bring our images. Yes. So go to your where you keep your images and then go and bring your image over there. So this is the image I'll be using. No, this one has a background. I've removed the background already. Yes, I've removed the background already. So where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, this is it. Then this is what I'm using for the tutorials. I'm using Prophet Adam JBS image for the tutorials. And guys, remember this is for educational purpose only. We don't intend to communicate something, or we don't intend to use his image to give somebody. So we are issuing a disclaimer that we are just using his image for educational purpose only, but we don't intend um, um, to dupe or to fake certain things. Yes, so just keep in mind. I think the prophetic text is too big. Therefore, I need to reduce the size a bit. Yes, I need to reduce the size. I need to reduce the size. And I think I must reduce it to 40. Should be perfect for me. 40 should be perfect for me. 40 should be perfect for me. Yes, and I think it's okay. So I'll lock it. Perfect. Then we want to create a shape. Yes, go to the shape and then draw your nice shape over there. Perfect, 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 perfect. Position it here and then go and change the color. Yes, we use this color. Then we can position it at the center. Yes, so that everything will be in line. Everything will be in line. Everything should be in line. Everything should be in line. Then we went again to the shape size and then we draw a very small one. A very small one. Then we change the color to color green, sorry. Change it to color green. Then we position it over here. So we position it over here. Then move to this side. Perfect. Then let's copy it again. Then you use the position. Perfect, 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 perfect. So move it up a bit. Should get closer a bit. No. It should come down a bit. Then move it to this side. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I like that. I like that. I like that. And this is okay. So we put up your date, time, and then the venue on it. And I think there's other things we need to do. We need to go and bring the logo. Yes, so go to your resources area where you keep your details and then go and bring them. So as you are saying, I'm going through my resources file and it's plenty. It's plenty. One disadvantage is that when your device is not helping you to rearrange all your your images and stuff. Yes, this device I'm using is not allowing me to group them, so it's putting everything together. So when sometimes I'm doing a tutorial, I'll struggle before I'll get what I'm looking for or what I want. Yes, so that is one disadvantage about it. If you are fortunate and your phone or your device is giving you such an option whereby you can keep or you can store or you keep certain things just in a separate folders, then you are good to go. So this is the logo I'm looking for. That is the name of the church and its logo. So I'll position it at this side and then change the color. Yes, I'll change the color to that of either green. Yes, and then I'll lock it. Perfect. I'll lock it. Perfect. Then your date and time. So let me just start with the details. So my date, let's say I'm using 24 or 24th, sorry, to maybe 31st June 2025, sorry, 2025. That is it. And then I'll change all to caps. Perfect. And then position it here. And I think this is awesome. So reduce the size. Yes, reduce the size to maybe 35 is okay. Yeah, I think 35 is okay. Then let's go and close up this side. No, I think we must set this one back. And then let's check here. Perfect. So 14 is okay. Then position it well. It should be on the on the shape you have created. Yes. Perfect. And I think we can change the color to color black, and that will be perfect. That will be perfect. Yes, that will be perfect. Then you lock it. Then you can copy the same text and then go and change the details to maybe time, such as let's say 7 a.m. to let's say 10 a.m. Perfect. So if it's okay, then you want to change all to caps as well. So let me see. Perfect. All right. So that is it. Then you go and then copy it and then type your location. So maybe church auditorium. Yeah, so church auditorium. Yeah, so I'm using church auditorium. I don't want to type plenty things whereby it will waste time. So that's why I'm using just a few details so that it will not make the tutorial very long. But if you are doing it and you want to put an exact thing over there, that is also quite okay. Perfect. So that is it. This is it. This is it. Then you type maybe the pastor's name. So go to the same size, the text size, and then bring it here. Then go to edit and then type your width. So width, then it's okay. Then let me go and change the text. And let me use maybe taken by vouchers, and that will be awesome for me. Let me go and open up this leading. Sorry, good. So I'll open up here and then position it to this side. So then I'll type the pastor's name over there. First of all, I'll lock it, this one again. Then come and copy any of the location or whatever. Yes, come and copy one and then type the pastor's name. So edit and then type Stephen Adumchedia. So Stephen, oh sorry, Stephen Adumchedia. That's all. So change all to caps and then you are good to go. Then you position it at the side. And I think the size is too big. That is why it's not going there. Or better still, you can use the position to move it to the side. And better still, the size is too big. So you can change it to, let's say, 20. And I think 28 is okay. Let's open up here. Let's open up here. Perfect. Something like this is okay. Then let me go and click on or select the width and then move it up. Yes, the width should go up a bit. It shouldn't interrupt with the name. Then move it up. Now you can position it here. Yeah, you can position it here. And you can change the color to maybe that of any of the colors of the shapes. And so let's change it to this. And I think this is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So then the rest of the details are the social media handles. Yes, the social media handles, just add them at the top. And you are good to go. Once you are done, then don't hesitate to go to the save option. Then you have an option to save it as a project. If you save it as a project, it means anytime that you come back, you can come back and edit any information on it. But if you save it as an image, that one is saved direct into your phone gallery. Yes. So please, these are the two distinct differences. So if you want to save it as a project, make sure you go to the dimension and save it as what? An ultra. In that condition, it's able to save at the higher quality so that the picture doesn't pixelate. Yes, the picture doesn't pixelate. So that is it. We have saved it in our device, and again, maybe you will save it again as a project so that in the near future, when you want to make changes to this flyer, you can come back and make changes to it. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share, comment, and let me know how this channel or this tutorial is helping you in any way. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.